There's two main reasons why I do natural hair videos. Reason number one is more surface level. Reason number two is, I guess, a little bit more sad. So like one, I mean, I've just really been natural my whole life. It is a very, very big part of my own identity. I've never relaxed my hair. I mean, my parents weren't going to allow me to relax my hair, and I had no issue with it. Funny enough, that did come with not like bullying, but in high school, a lot of people would be like to me, "So when you're not going to relax your hair, you're not going to relax your hair," and I'm just like, not allowed to. No, and I really didn't care. To be honest, it wasn't like, oh, I want to relax my hair so badly. No, it was never that. It was never that. But yeah, people, I don't know why, they just couldn't just let me live with just having my natural hair. Then, the natural hair movement, it did start up like in 2010, 2011. And that's around that time is where I basically started to embrace, wearing an afro, attempted to take care of my hair, but I've made so many mistakes along the way. And I guess the point I'm trying to make with that is just because I've been natural my whole life doesn't mean I necessarily know how to do my hair exactly. And it has been a learning journey and a learning curve. And, just want to talk about that because whether people have also been natural their whole life or they did a big chop and they don't know how to take care of their hair, it is a learning journey for all of us. So I'm just taking you all along that journey with me because I'm still on my own journey, figuring out what works for my hair, what doesn't work for my hair. I feel like I've grown out my hair so many times because I've damaged it in so many ways already. But, I'm trying. So that's basically reason number one. Reason number two, so kind of sad. So like I have a cousin, a younger cousin, child, and she does not like her hair. And, hold on. I don't do the whole crying on camera thing, but yeah, so I mean like she's biracial, but even though so she's biracial, but her hair is very kinky, right? So I need to relax, Njeri. Oh my god. So yeah, so her hair is kinky, kinkiest out of all the siblings, and the rest of them have no issues with their hair, but I think because hers was the kinkiest, she just didn't like it. And the mom is white and she looks like her mom, so it's like, okay, I'm wondering, is it because like she sees her mom as like a beauty standard? So I wonder if that has part of it. And then also I think they go to school with a bunch of white kids, so I guess her friends also have straight hair. And also really, the representation of natural hair is not around her. And yeah, so my mom used to like help do their hair for like a period of time. Like they would come over and my mom would just like help to comb their hair because their mom just couldn't handle their hair. And she was always complaining, and I will always tell her, but you have such gorgeous hair. Like I'm not posting a photo of her hair, but like this girl, her hair is so gorgeous. It is so beautiful. It is long. It is thick. I want to think her hair is like 4A, 4B hair. That's her hair type, I think. And it's just so long and thick, like whoa, like it's just growing. It's just like a whole mane. It's a whole head of hair. Like I am always in awe of her hair. Like her hair is so gorgeous, and I tell her all the time that your hair is gorgeous, your hair is beautiful. Like how many people would kill to have your hair, and she just wouldn't like it. I think it's also because when your parents or your hairdresser combs out your hair, it hurts, so she cries when it hurts. But yeah, but basically, So why I'm bringing that up? So I would always tell her like, your hair is gorgeous, it's beautiful, like telling her all of this, but around this time, even though I've been natural my whole life, I think I started wearing braids a lot more since university and then just lazy, right? After that. So it's like, how am I telling her that your hair is beautiful, your hair is gorgeous, but then you take out your braids, wash your hair, and then go back into braids? That don't make sense. 2 plus 2 is not equaling 4 right here. And I realized to myself, you can't be telling her hair is gorgeous and you're not embracing your hair regularly for her to see, because literally she just has no one in the family to see that her hair is like that. So, I mean, literally when I came to that realization that, she needs to be able to see it a little bit more, at that point, I stopped wearing braids a lot. Like, I would do a crochet once in a while. Like, I don't think I've done crochet even 5 times since, but I tried to just wear my hair out a little bit more, wear an afro, especially more in her presence, and just try to rely less and less on like extensions. I'm not saying I haven't done extensions since. I just really try to just really deal with my hair as much as possible, even if it's just like a braids or cane or something, but styles where I can really just show off the diversity of my hair, what my hair can do, show it in an afro, show it with curls defined, all of that, because I do want her to learn to love her hair. And then I realized, she's not the only person like that. I'm sure, there's many people who are still learning to accept their natural hair. Like, you see girls with 3C curls and 4A curls, and you got 4C, like 4B, 4C, 4A, whatever your curls got, you're there thinking, oh, I want my hair to be like that. And your hair is not going to be like that. That's the reality of it. So, that's why I guess even like maybe on my YouTube, but doing it more like in shorts as well. It's just, I just wanted to be seen and just want to, I guess, be a part of that community, just to show that your hair is beautiful, it's gorgeous, no matter how it looks. Yeah. I mean, I've been seeing even trends recently where I see girls going back to relaxing their hair. I mean, if that's what they want to do, that's what they want to do. That is fine. But I mean, I guess because I've never relaxed my hair. I mean, I did a silk press twice. Technically, like twice. Like, I did 2 silk presses. I did 2 silk presses back to back in like 2 months. Wrecked my hair. I had to grow my whole hair again, and I never did that again. I said I'm never putting any kind of heat like that in my hair again, and I don't intend to relax. So this is what we're working with. But yeah, I just wanted to, I guess, explain, I guess, my intent, my motivation, why I do what I do on my platforms. And yeah, so if you're interested in just seeing like how I take care of my hair, how to style my hair, I'm a jokester, so sometimes I just do like little comedy sketches here and there, because that was the fun part about TikTok when I first came on TikTok in COVID. So I like to run a joke here and there, but yeah, I'm just continuing to take care of my hair, and I just want to showcase the beauty of having Afrocentric hair. That is all. So if you made it this far, I'm not even sure if I'm posting this, but if you made it this far, thank you. Bye. Oh, and my name's Njeri, the Njerineer.